G'day guys, Paul the Rockhound here. Recently got out on a nice little hunt with rookie Rockhound, Jesse. And it was after the floods here in Queensland. We'd let it settle down for a couple of weeks and went out, and oh my god, what a day. Still a bit milky the water, but we've still found a lot. Anyway, I'm going to go through them here. I'm going to start, I'll go through them one by one, but I'll just give you a quick look. Everything here is what we collected in the day. Now, some of the rhyolites, little druzy blips there. Come on, camera, focus. You know, with the colours, the greens, the browns, the creams. That's very nice. That's more like a jasper, I think, but anyway. This black piece, I'm just gonna, looks more of a blue hue to it. A lot of this stuff I won't know until I give it a bit of a cut and have a look at it. And it is, yeah, rhyolite, chalcedony, waterline there, druzy pockets. You know, yeah, that cut into slabs is going to be absolutely beautiful. I can see, focus camera. Anyway, so yeah, lots of rhyolite, bits of jasper, some really nice sort of green and yellow. There is one here that's just all green. Look at this. My camera's not focusing properly, I don't think. That's like a really lovely green. It's more a jasper, I'd say. But a lot of the, I'm going to save them for later. A lot of the nodules are just chalcedony nodules. I haven't cleaned them or anything, I'm just wetting them to show you. Carnelian, but look at this monster. Look at that. I will actually, well, I've got it. I'll just do this. Wait, here we go. Look at that. That bit of a druzy pocket in there. Oh, this camera's not really focusing at all. To, you know, this big thick nodule here. Look at that. There's lines. There's all sorts of things going on in some of this. Now that's a good size chalcedony. Good thickness, good size. We've got other little ones here. Well, look at that. They're gorgeous. They haven't been bashed around. They're only fresh out of the rocks. It's got waterline lines in it there. They haven't been bashed around by rocks. Look at this little vitroidal there. Chalcedony. And lots of lovely little pieces. This one's got a little cave in it, druzy in there. And anyway, found this one. It looks violet, but it's actually blue. So that one's going to be really nice. But the piece de resistance is this. And if you have a look, see the lines or bubbles in there? It's put on the torch, that shows it better. It might be too bright. I can see it, but the torch is picking it up too bright. There's like a miniature druzy sort of thing on it. That's what it looks like to me on the outside. You can see it in the camera there, but that is a beautiful little nodule of blue, and as you can see, it hasn't been bashed around or anything in the creek for a long time. So yeah, some really lovely little pieces, some really clear pieces. This one here, very clear. Yeah, now we'll go on to some of these bigger ones here. Whoops. Some of this rhyolite. Have a look at this rhyolite, folded and yeah. It's got some beautiful patterns and stuff in it. That's lovely, that piece. The first piece is another one, and that actually glows. I'll show you later. This, to me, looks like a bit of a thunder egg core. Got chalcedony right through it. And just having the stars that are coming off the side, you know, that's, to me, it's saying, yeah, it looks like a thunder egg core. I seem to get that star and the lines coming out from it everywhere. It's pretty, yeah, pretty in the center. And I've got this big mumbo jumbo here. I'll tell you what, when we're out there, like, we watch Theo, we watch, you know, Ozone Fine Arts, we watch Kurt, Rockhound World, Wild Kyle, but I felt like Theo Kelson picking up these big things. It's, you know, that guy gets some awesome stuff. I'm picking up these big rocks thinking Theo picks up these every day, all the time. This thing's got amethyst in there, and that waterline there, it's very amethysty looking. Waterline all the way through there. That's going to be a lovely piece. Yeah, Theo, man, you pick up some lovely stuff. Some more. He picks up agates that are this size. Excuse me. There's a lot of chalcedony in there. In Ryle, I'm thinking it's a thunder egg core again. There's a lovely green piece here. I'm thinking this is rhyolite again. Look at that. That is awesome. Lovely greens. Bit of a pocket in there. My camera really isn't playing games with the focusing today. Then we've got this black thing over here, grey, very shiny, very feels like a jasper, real waxy feel to it. Yeah, like common opal bits on the top there. Different pieces through it. It's really yeah, it just feels waxy like a jasper, but I'm really not sure. So yeah, this other one here, it looks like it's got green chalcedony, but it's not actually clear, so it's I don't know what it is. It's green, and it's in like a basalt piece of there's a couple of pieces in it around it. Very very nice piece, but yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I had a good day. I'm going to see if I can get this one to glow for you. I might have to turn off the big light. Anyway, alright guys, thank you very much for watching. It's been a while. I've been very busy with family life. Haven't cut or polished, haven't done anything in months. So I'll try and keep this on a roll and keep this in the loop again and cut these up soon and polish them up and get back into it. Thanks, people. Goodbye. Rock on.